I've made over $1,000 in affiliate commissions, and the crazy part, I started with just my phone and zero experience. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, even if you have never made a dollar online before. So stay with me to the end of this video because it might be just your turning point. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ben Power, and here I share practical ways to make money online through affiliate marketing, digital skills, and online business tips. If you are new here, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming tutorials that can help you earn online. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means promoting other people's products and earning a commission whenever someone buys through your link. Let me make it simple. Imagine there is a course or a product online and I share the link with you. If you click and buy, I get paid a percentage for that sale. That's affiliate marketing. No product needed, no customer support, no inventory, nothing at all. Basically the middleman connecting a buyer and a seller. You earn for it. Now that you understand what affiliate marketing is, the next step is to choose your niche. That's simply your area of focus. Don't try to promote everything. Pick one area you can talk about easily and have interest in. For example, if you love tech, promote digital tools or gadgets. If you love business, promote money making or online courses. If you love health, promote fitness or supplements. Personally, I focus on digital marketing and online business products because they pay high commissions and people always need them. Once you have your niche, it's time to join affiliate programs. Here are some trusted platforms where you can start for free. Impact.com for international brands and tools. Seller.co, great for promoting digital products and online courses. Digistem, good for digital courses, especially in Africa. Espanier, trusted platform for high-quality Nigeria offers. ClickBank, great for global and US-based products. Just sign up, get approval, and you will have your own affiliate dashboard where you will find your links. When picking a product to promote, don't just go for anything because of the commission. Choose something valuable, something that solves a real problem. Check if the product have a good set page. The price is reasonable. People are buying it. If it meets those three, that's a good product to promote. Now comes the most important part, promoting. You can start sharing your affiliate link in many smart ways. YouTube videos, that's tutorials, product reviews or case studies. Facebook, posts, reels or inside group. WhatsApp and Telegram, create variable groups and share your offers. TikTok, short, attention-grabbing tips with your link in bio. But here is the golden rule. Don't just drop your link everywhere. Create valuable content that educates people first. They recommend the product naturally. Here is a quick secret. Affiliate marketing rewards consistency. You may not earn in your first week, but if you stay consistent, learning, posting, and promoting, your first sale will come, and when it does, it motivates you to go harder. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share this with someone who wants to start earning online. And if you are ready to take affiliate marketing serious, I put together a complete step-by-step course that shows how to earn consistently. And if you are starting with your phone, you'll find the link down below in the description or in pinned comment. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.